the ground, Malibu N91MK, requesting this echo.
Malibu 1 Mike Kilo, runway 18 at Echo, taxi via Echo. Malibu 91 Mike Kilo, Sioux City Tower, runway 18 at Echo, clear for takeoff, see on course Blair. Malibu 1 Mike Kilo, contact departure, have a good flight.
Contact departure, 91 Kilo, thank you. Sioux City departure, Malibu 91 Kilo.
Malibu 91 Mike Kilo, Sioux City departure, radar contact, say altitude.
2,100.
Mike Kilo, altitude checks, thank you.
Sioux City approach, I'm going back to the airport.
Blue 1 Mike Kilo, say again. Blue 1 Mike Kilo, confirm you said you're returning to Sioux City Airport?
Correct.
Blue 1 Mike Kilo, enter left downwind runway 18, is everything alright?
Can I take 36?
1 Mike Kilo, affirmative, make straight in runway 36. Malibu 1 Mike Kilo, do you require any assistance?
Vector to the runway.
Malibu 1 Mike Kilo, flight heading 340, vector for a 1 to 2 mile final runway 36.
40, 91 Kilo.
1 Mike Kilo, are you a VMC at this time?
PMC, I'm no oil pressure.
Malibu 1 Mike Kilo, contact tower 118.7.
8.7. Sioux City Tower, Malibu 91 Kilo, lost power.
Malibu 91 Mike Kilo, Sioux City Tower, runway 36, clear to land, wait and calm. Malibu 91 Mike Kilo, Sioux City Tower, are you still with me on frequency? Chief 2, roger, proceed on Alpha and proceed as you need on runway 31. The aircraft did not make it to the airport. And Chief 2, do you see the loading ramp with the green and red lights? It appeared he was on the ground before or south of that area.
Sioux City ground, Rescue 4.
Rescue 4 ground.
Can you see us back here behind the airport? Are we anywhere close?
Rescue 4, the 3 vehicles, or I guess 3 or 4 vehicles out there. Rescue 4, I believe it was more west than that, just basically behind, or correction, sorry, east of that, just behind, I think it's the Cold Logistics, looking on the map, facility there is where it appeared that the last site was.